Scanner. A scanner is an input device that translates paper documents into an electronic format for input to a computer. The input documents may be typed text, pictures, graphics, or even handwritten material. The text in a scanned image cannot be edited in a word processing software. It becomes a part of the picture. Now see the flatbed scanner. It is like a copier machine consisting of a box having a glass plate on its top and lid that covers the glass plate. To scan a document, a user has to place it upside down on the glass plate. A light beam below the glass plate moves horizontally from one end to another when activated. It takes about 20 seconds to scan a document of 21 by 28 centimeter size. And OCR, optical character reader. The OCR is used to convert hard copy text to a text file. This text file can then be edited in a word processor. OCR is equipped with character recognition software which converts bitmap images of character to equivalent ASCII codes. Optical mark reader. OMR is a scanner which can recognize a pre-specified text of mark made of pencil or pen. The technique used by an OMR device for recognition of marks on a document involves focusing a light beam on the document and detecting the reflected light pattern from the marks. Barcode reader. Data coded in the form of small lines are known as barcodes. Barcodes represent alphanumeric data by a combination of adjacent vertical lines varying their width and the spacing between them. A barcode reader is a device for reading barcoded data. A barcode reader uses laser beam scanning technology. It focuses a laser beam across the pattern of bars of a barcode. A light is the magnetic ink character recognition. MICR is similar to OCR. Banking industry uses it for faster processing of large volume of checks handled by every day by this industry. Bank check has bank's identification code, account number and check number pre-printed on it by using characters from a special character set. The characters on the check are pre-printed using a special ink containing particles of iron oxide. Now this is